Graduation is an exciting time. This marks both an ending and beginning. It's warm memories of past and big dreams for the future. My respect to our school's division superintendent, Dr. Jeneline A. Aliman, CESO 6, our assistant school division superintendent, Dr. Aurelia Santisa, CESE, our district in charge, Mr. Gayo Centurias, to our school head, Mr. Elvin M. Baybayan, teachers, parents, graduates, a pleasant afternoon to all of us. Today, we celebrate another milestone in the lives of our students. This day marks the historical moment of our graduates, for this is the first virtual moving up and closing exercises of Campo Islam Elementary School with the theme, Kalidad ng Edukasyon lalong patatagin sa gitna ng pandemya. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the grade 6 pupils of Campo Islam Elementary School for the processional. Alpha Ibrahim A. Bahian Eric N. Gajali Abdul Basir G. Kamara Al-Nasser S. Sabangan Gerald P. Sahurani Haider A. Sanchez Rene M. Saranilio Vicente Jr. N. Usong Nur Hakim B. Alijam Aniza A. Arango Noroin B. Magbanwa Cora P. Nulain Aisa Jane. Sanchez Jessa M. Sawadyaan Norsan P. Ening Jocelyn P. Abdullah Ashraf A. Ajibun Nadsmi A. Alijam Al Nasser A. Muhammad Nefar N. Nilyas Dave R. Mulain Erwan J. Omar Prince Abu Jaid O. Ishaw Winlove H. Salapuddin Faujan A. Abdullah Siti Anfal S. Alpha Siti Sarah B. Bazar Loisa S. Ningaska Hafiza G. Tito Daphne C. Resmundo Regine S. Sanchez Maricel M. Talib Jamina H.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
الحمد لله رب العالمين
All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the worlds.
الرحمن الرحيم
The entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
مالك يوم الدين
Sovereign of the day of recompense.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين
It is you we worship and you we ask for help.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم
Guide us to the straight path.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين
The path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who have evoked your anger or of those who are astray.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, helas ng sinakanan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisigil, sa nagagang tutok sa simoy at sa langit ng bangaw, ay hinatang tulakaw. mabuhay ka, Zamboanga Sibugay. Ulahan ka, mabuhay ka, Zamboanga Sibugay.
Dr. Jeneline A. Aliman, Public Schools Division Superintendent, Department of Education, Division of Zamboanga Sibugay, through her authorized representative, Mr. Gayo T. Centurias, District in Charge of Tungawan District, I have the honor to present the 16 candidates for elementary curriculum completion, 9 of whom are boys and 7 of whom are girls. They have satisfactorily completed and fulfilled the requirements for elementary education as prescribed by the Department of Education. I hereby petition the Office of District in Charge to certify the completion of the requirements of these candidates. Dr. Jeneline A. Aliman, Public Schools Division Superintendent, Department of Education, Division of Zamboanga Sibugay, through her authorized representative, Mr. Gayo T. Centurias, District in Charge of Tungawan District, I have the honor to present the 17 candidates for kindergarten curriculum completion, 9 of whom are boys and 8 of whom are girls. They have satisfactorily completed and fulfilled the requirements for kindergarten education as prescribed by the Department of Education. I hereby petition the Office of District in Charge to certify the completion of the requirements of these candidates.
In view of the certification made by your school head, Mr. Elvin Baybayan, that you are really satisfactorily completed as prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 curriculum, and by virtue of the power vested in me by the school's division superintendent, Dr. Jeneline Aliman, I may now certify that grade 6, 16th grade 6 are candidate for graduation, and 17 of them are kindergarten completers for this school year 2020-2021. Congratulations to all of you. Good luck, good health, God bless you.
By the authority vested in me by the Department of Education as officer in charge, Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, and having been presented by the school principal and duly certified by the district supervisor that you have completed the basic requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum, I now confirm you graduates of school year 2020-2021. Congratulations.
Superintendent Dr. Jeneline A. Aliman, our district in charge, Mr. Gayo Centurias, our generous and supportive school head, Mr. Elvin M. Baybayan, teachers, loving parents, graduates, online viewers, good afternoon. I was honored to have an opportunity to speak today in this important event. In behalf of the entire batch, I would like to welcome you all to our first virtual graduation ceremony. Despite of COVID-19 pandemic, we are still blessed to celebrate our graduation. This year is a very challenging year for all of us. Our experience this year will be forever remembered, for it is different from our previous experiences. We stayed at home instead of going to school. Our parents teach us about the lesson instead of our teachers, and we even experience hardship in understanding our lesson. But we are so blessed to be a part of history. Yes, history, because we are the first who experienced the modular learning. With this, we would like to express our gratitude to the person who helped us fulfill our dreams. My heartfelt thanks to our parents who served as the second teacher and helped us answering our module despite of limited knowledge you have. To the teachers of Campus Lam Elementary School who exerted their efforts, time, and dedication in preparing our modules. Despite of the struggles we encountered this year, you made us believe that quality education is still possible.
Go.
Lastly, to Allah for guiding us and make things possible. Again, thank you for being a part of journey and welcome to our graduation ceremony.
Alpa Ibrahim A. Achiever, Best in Filipino. Bahian Eric N. Gajali Abdul Basir G. Ikamara Almasur S. Sabangan Gerald P. Saburani Haider A. Sanchez Rene M. Saranilio Vicente Jr. N. Usong Nor Hakim B. Alijam Aniza A. Achiever, Best in English, Best in Mathematics, Best in Science. Arango Norotip. Magbanwa Korap Pit. Nulaing Aisa G. Sanchez Jessa F. Sawadyaan Norsan T. Neneng Jocelyn E. Abdullah Asrak A. Ajibun Nadsmi A. Alijam Al-Nasser A. Muhammad Nefar N. Elias Dave R. Mulain Erwan J. Omar Prince Abu Jaid O. Ishaw Winlove H. Salapuddin Faujan A. Abdullah Siti Anfal S. Alpha Siti Sarah. Bazar Loisa S. Mingaska Hafiza G. Pepito Daphne C. Resmundo Regine S. Sanchez Maricel M. Talib Jamina H.
My due respect to our school's division superintendent, Dr. Jeneline A. Aliman, CISO 6. To our assistant division superintendent, Mr. Aurelio Santisas. To our district in charge of Tungawan District, Mr. Gayo T. Cintorias. Barangay officials headed by Honorable Abraham A. Basa, Barangay Captain. PTA officials headed by Jeremias Binigasca, PTA President. Teachers, parents, graduates, good day. It is my great pleasure and honor to convey my best wishes and profound admiration to all graduates, completers, and academic awardees of this school year 2020-2021. Graduation and moving up ceremonies are the much awaited event in the life of every learners, as they represent the golden times of reaching higher education and achieving dreams and aspirations. Despite the challenges brought by COVID-19 pandemic, the school year 2020-2021 is a school year of extraordinary hard work, dedication, and passion for all teachers, learners, and parents in dealing and coping the chosen learning delivery modality to meet most educational requirements. Ang akong pagyukbo og dakong pagpasalamat bisan pa sa dakong hagit sa pandemya kaninyong mga ginikanan for being an effective and partner of our school and so as much in-depth ed in the implementation of distance learning, ang inyong dakong pagsakripisyo o suporta sa inyong mga anak sa paghatod o pagkuha sa mga modules. Kay kung wala kamo, dili mahimong successful ang pagtuon sa inyong mga anak. My heartfelt thanks to these donors, our BLGU, MLGU, and private organizations. You are a great contributor upon the success of our distance learning modality. My dear graduates and completers, you have just marked another significant milestone in your continued quest for excellence and successful future. Certainly, challenges will still come your way. However, stay focused and always remember that your dream is within reach when you are determined and committed. My sincere commendations to all the teaching force of Campo Islam Elementary School for providing the highest degree of service para sa bata, para sa bayan. Finally, with this, happy celebration on your graduation and completion. It is with confidence to say that you have given our team for this year strengthening the quality of education amid the COVID-19 pandemic, a meaningful one. Congratulations and have a wonderful day.
My greetings and congratulations to all the graduates and completers of Class 2021. Your graduation or moving up is a significant and exciting moment to you and to your family. Your courage, strength, and remarkable resilience have made you successful in your academic endeavors in the midst of the global pandemic. The outbreak of COVID-19 has brought unprecedented and unique challenges to the education system, which affect teachers, learners, even our parents and stakeholders. However, to ensure continuity of education amidst health crisis, various education platforms and interventions have been adopted and implemented. And I'm happy and proud how you responded to the challenges of distance learning. I know it was not easy for you to be studying independently. I know you struggled so much in this new learning modality. You struggled to understand the assignments and even in answering the modules every day and every week. But your motivation to continue learning even without your teachers accompanying you physically in your learning journey has helped you overcome all the pressures and anxieties. I commend your parents for the bravery, for your parents who also face extraordinary challenges as both parent and teacher, who work hard day and night to support you in your homeschooling. Our hearts are truly overwhelmed with the kind of partnership we wonderfully established. To our school heads, whose brand of leadership is best tested during this new normal, you have now seen the fruits of your dedication to make your school a true laboratory of learning despite changing circumstances brought by the pandemic. Your leadership and management has contributed to the success of our learners. To our teachers, whose sacrifices cannot be ignored, my hats off to you. You carried your works with compassion and perseverance. You play an important role to ensure learners stay engaged while they are learning at home. It is not ordinary and easy for you to be checking volumes of modules, but you were able to do it. Again, we recognize and appreciate all your efforts and hard work. I would like also to thank our provincial and local government units and other education partners for the overwhelming support in the implementation of the division and schools learning continuity plan. The unwavering support provided has given every learner of the province of Sibugay the opportunity to continue their education in whatever modality, whichever is appropriate to their respective situation. Finally, to our dear graduates and completers, my heart swells with pride and joy for your academic achievement. Together, we will look forward to seeing you in the widest array of your success in the future. Now that your path is lighted, we are confident that you are ready to face more exciting challenges ahead of you. Be assured of our support and loyalty, our love, our commitment to see you through. Godspeed and congratulations.
Everyone who is attending virtually present at this time of our graduation ceremonies for our beloved and very precious graduates for the school year which ends at this time. First of all, I'd like to greet the parents and family members without whose sacrifices, whose reminders, and whose participation in the learning process for our graduates have resulted in this culmination program. This year, your role has changed drastically, where we've always thought, we've always believed that the matter of educating our children rests nearly exclusively on our teachers and our staff. This time, you parents, you family members, you who are in the households of our learners have expanded your role and contributed to this wonderful day, wherein finally, our learners are graduating in this culmination exercise. So congratulations, because this year has not been very easy, has not been a picnic for our teachers, for our family members, as well, especially the parents, mothers, fathers, sisters, brothers, and all who have contributed to the achievement of our learners at this time. So, maraming salamat at congratulations, parents and family members. Mas malaki ang role ninyo at this time compared to earlier graduation exercises. Secondly, I would also like to greet our teachers, without whose very careful review and careful supervision of the work of our pupils and our learners, this event would not be taking place at all. And so your role has also expanded, in addition to seeing to it that the modules are faithfully followed, the assignments are correctly implemented, and the learners are truly learning and you have had to deal with new ways of assessing the performance also of the learners. So congratulations, teachers, for enduring, for your patience, for your love for our learners, and your willingness to engage in a way and methods of teaching which are different from those which are used to. Assessment must have been especially difficult for you, especially since you were not able to see most of the time our students in face-to-face meetings, and most of the meetings, of course, were virtual. We'd also like to thank the local government units for their interest, for their cooperation, and for their continuing contributions to the needs of education, even as our children do not go to school. Your donations of material as well as financial resources at this time are most welcome, and your advice has been taken seriously not only by our teachers, by our school officials, but also by our officials in the Department of Education. We continually talk with local government units, especially in times of disaster, in times of great need for classrooms, for space, and for responses to unforeseen emergencies. Thank you, local government units. But of course, most of the congratulatory greetings fall on the deserving graduate. Each and every one of you is truly special. You are different from the other graduates who have passed through the portals of your school. You went to school practically without seeing your teachers, if at all. You went to school with your parents, your mothers, and your fathers hovering over your shoulders and seeing to it that you are able to complete your assignments. You are completing your studies at a time when examinations and assessments are different. You are culminating these long months of hard work at this time, even as you have to do family chores, even as you are distracted, and even as your world has turned upside down, and it seems and it appears as if we don't know what the future holds and what will happen next. But you have persevered, and now you are ready to graduate. And therefore, you deserve each and every bit of congratulations from us in the Department of Education, from your parents and family members, your teachers, from the officials in local government, as well as in the parent teachers associations. You deserve each and every single congratulatory pat on your back, each hug virtually, of course, and each greeting, which I am sure you are also receiving virtually.